World Environment Day is celebrated annually on the 5th of June and is the United Nations' principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. First held in 1973, it has been a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption and wildlife crime. Only One Earth was the slogan for the 1972 Stockholm Conference. 50 years on, this truth still holds: this planet is our only home. With nature in emergency mode, the Only One Earth campaign for World Environment Day 2022 wants you to celebrate the planet through collective environmental action. Only One Earth advocates for transformative environmental change on a global scale. The campaign shines a spotlight on climate action, nature action and pollution action while encouraging everyone, everywhere to live sustainably. While our individual consumption choices do make a difference, it is collective action that will create the transformative environmental change we need, so we can advance to a more sustainable and just Earth, where everyone can flourish. World Environment Day, on the 5th of June, is a global event to celebrate and encourage action on the climate crisis. The cost of climate adaptation in developing nations is now estimated to be $500 billion a year. The United Nations Environment Programme is responsible for coordinating responses to environmental issues within the United Nations system. It was established by Maurice Strong, its first director, after the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment in Stockholm in June 1972. Its mandate is to provide leadership, deliver science, and develop solutions on a wide range of issues, including climate change, the management of marine and terrestrial ecosystems, and green economic development. Our environment faces several problems, and many of these seem to be worsening with time, bringing us into a time of a true environmental crisis. It is therefore becoming increasingly important to raise awareness of the existence of these issues, as well as what can be done to reduce their negative impact. Some of the key issues are: 1. Pollution. Pollution of the air, water and soil caused by toxins such as plastics, heavy metals and nitrates, caused by factors such as toxins and gases released by factories, combustion of fossil fuels, acid rain, oil spill and industrial waste. The emission of greenhouse gases due to human activity causes global warming, which in turn causes an increase in temperature that then leads to rising sea levels, melting of polar ice caps, flash floods and desertification, deforestation. Loss of trees in order to make space for residential, industrial or commercial projects means that less oxygen is produced, and temperature and rainfall are affected. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Cut down on what you throw away. Follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources and landfill space. Volunteer. Volunteer for cleanups in your community. You can get involved in protecting your watershed, too. Conserve water. The less water you use, the less runoff and wastewater that eventually end up in the ocean. Shop wisely. Buy less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag. Plant a tree. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change.